So, Boox dropped some new toys, and honestly, it's about time they did this. If you've ever messed with their Go series e-readers, you know they're kind of the sweet spot between a classic e-ink tablet and a full-on Android device. Super portable, super easy on the eyes, but until now, no built-in stylus support, which, let's be real, felt like a missed opportunity. Anyway, that's changing. Say hello to the new Boox Go 7 and the Go Color 7 Gen 2. Same compact 7-inch size as before, same sleek, lightweight feel, but now, finally, they can handle a stylus. You'll need to pick up Boox's new InkSense pen separately, but hey, it's here. No more awkward workarounds just to scribble a note. Between the two, the biggest and the only difference is the display. The regular Go 7 is all about that classic black and white e-ink vibe, super crisp at 300 ppi, perfect for long reading sessions without frying your eyeballs. The Go Color 7 Gen 2 though brings some flair. It's rocking an e-ink Kaleido 3 screen that can show off over 4,000 colors. Sure, color images are a bit lower res at 150 ppi, but for comics, magazines, or colorful PDFs, it's awesome. Spec-wise, they're basically twins. Octa-core processors, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, plus a micro SD slot if you're a digital hoarder, and a 2300 milliamp hour battery that should easily get you through a good chunk of the week. They even kept the big side bezel, which sounds boring but is actually super nice for gripping the device without smudging the screen. Plus, bonus, it hides 2 page-turning buttons, old school physical buttons, we love to see it. And because they run Android 13, you can basically treat these like mini tablets. Download Kindle, Libby, Spotify, Pocket, whatever apps you want. None of that lockdown nonsense like with a Kindle Scribe. Price-wise, the Go 7 is already up for grabs at $250 in the US, £220 in the UK, and €250 in Europe. Only on Boox's site for now, but Amazon's coming soon, with shipping kicking off on May 7th. The Go Color 7 Gen 2 is rolling out a little later for $280. If you want the InkSense stylus, you do. That'll be another $46. So effectively, it'll cost around $300. Oh, and they've got some sweet magnetic cases too. A beige one with a pen loop or a gray one if you're feeling minimalistic. Honestly, Boox just made their Go series way more tempting. Light, colorful, Android powered, and now ready for doodles. What's not to love? Drop your thoughts in the comments and catch you in the next one.